a pleasant day. To all our listeners, you are turned into the Tech Rescue Hub. I am your host, Princess Angel Alagkawili. We all know that laptops are essential for our daily lives. But what happens when they fail us? And because life, just like tech, can be complicated, I'll be sharing some heart-to-heart reflections along the way. Let's get started. Finally, the laptop shuts down unexpectedly. It just turns off without warning. This is caused by critical overheating or motherboard failure. Troubleshoot by monitoring your system temperature and checking if the fan is spinning. The solution is to replace the cooling fan or repair the motherboard. Safety warning: if you smell burning electronics, unplug it immediately. Parang ghosting lang. Isang sandali ayos pa ang lahat. Tapos bigla na lang silang mawawala nang walang pasabi. I-save mo na lang ang data mo at huwag bubuan ka na. There you have it. 8 laptop fixes and a little bit of life advice to keep you going. Whether it's a broken screen or a broken heart, there's always a way to fix it. Or better yet, a way to move forward. Once again, I am Princess Angel Alagkawili. Thank you for listening to the Tech Rescue Hub. Stay smart, stay guided, and stay connected. Goodbye.